Welcome back to Hot Car Track. Just a very quick video today. Have a look at this colour here of this open garage. This is blue with yellow. How fantastic does that look? It reminds me of the SO garages that we have here in Australia. This piece here, well not this piece, this is just a test print, but this is going to Metal Mania 3D from Tasmania. He has a YouTube channel down below. Go check out his work. He's a very talented die-cast builder, and I can't wait to see what he's going to do with this. He's going to put all these decals on here and really make it his own. But look at that, look at the blue on the inside with the windows. You know, he'll put some decals here on the fascia and also on the other side as well. So looking forward to seeing what he does there. And there's a red and a grey version. And obviously right over here we have just the straight out grey, which you can also paint to your heart's content, do whatever you like, whatever colours. So this one here, you get a blank canvas. And if you are interested in any of these parts and you have different coloured combinations you want, just let me know and we can, you know, virtually print any colour that's available. You know, you might want to have green windows and a red side, or red on the front with blue and green and white or whatever. So there you go, fabulous looking colours. All right, catch you later.